Square Hospital is one of the ventures of Square Group, which is the top business group of the country. The outpatient department of the hospital can serve up to 1,900 patients daily through over 150 consultation rooms. Square Hospital offers almost all departments of medical services under one roof, which enables us to deliver proper integrated services to our patients from SI2 Limited. Square Hospital Limited is a 400-bed tertiary care hospital and the leading contributor of private healthcare services in Bangladesh.
Welcome to SI2.
We integrated these telesetting services to departments like cardiology,
Hello, Nurse Betty. Could you please head over to room 1029? Yes, the patient is in need of your assistance. Thank you.
and geriatrics, where Square Hospital strives to meet patient standards through quality healthcare and making a difference in their lives with SI2 Limited. The reputation of SI2 is the result of quality clinical and comprehensive training outcome, made achievable through world-class integrated healthcare professionals by highly qualified trainers.